What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm out here at the park having some fun, and it's time to do a camera battle between the Galaxy S10 Plus, 5 cameras, and the new kid on the block, the LG G8, right? Let's go on and see which one of these gonna be King Supreme. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some still footage, also some video footage of my commentary, and I'm going to look at the viewfinder and I'm going to give you my thoughts of what I'm seeing here. And we're gonna go wide angle lens and we're gonna go close up, and y'all guys can see for yourself, and you can be the judge for yourself which device is going to be King Supreme. So I'm going to do this daytime only. I'm going to do a separate nighttime video, but this one here is going to be daytime only. So sit back and relax, woo, and get your popcorn ready. And let's do a camera battle between two titans. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the video portion of this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the record button on both devices, and I'm going to give you commentary, what I see on the screen. You will see the same thing that I'm seeing, and you could be the judge for yourself. Let me give you some disclaimers. The Galaxy S10 Plus that I have 3 cameras on the back. You got a regular lens, a wide angle lens, and an ultra wide angle lens. The LG G8 only have 2 lenses on the back, which is a regular lens and an ultra wide angle lens. That's what they're calling it. So we're going to just play around with it. Y'all guys going to get to see what I see. So let's go to start the video portion here. So I'm shooting this here at 1080p, 30 frames per second, and I'm going to start recording, and I want y'all guys to see what I see at the portion of this video. All right, so let's go on and start, and I'm doing this in auto mode only. All right, so right now I am filming with both devices, and I'm looking at the viewfinder. Listen, I'm looking at it and the sky is blue, but you be the judge for yourself. I'm looking at both viewfinders, and I can tell you that the Galaxy S10 looks good. It's funny that the Galaxy S10 is not oversaturating it, but the LG G8 looks really good, real punchy in them blues. It's really highlighting those blues pretty good. So what I got the second lens on the Galaxy S10, let me go on and put the wide angle lens or the ultra wide angle lens on the Galaxy S10. As you can see, that's the ultra wide angle lens, and I'm gonna do the ultra wide angle lens on the LG G8. Boom. All right, so looking at that, again, you be the judge for yourself. And from my viewfinder, I mean, both of them look good. Now, when you're looking at the grass on the Galaxy S10 Plus, I mean, it's really punchy, really oversaturated. But when you're looking at the LG G8, it look a little natural. But again, it all depends on what you like in the video, right? So let's go ahead and go in right here, going back to the regular. Now the Galaxy S10 has a really close-up lens, so when you look at that, it's zoomed in a little bit on the telephoto lens on the Galaxy S10 Plus. But let's go on and see if we can pinch in all the way with both devices, and let's see which one gonna give you the better clarity. All right, and we're going to go 10 times zoom on the Galaxy S10 Plus, right? And we're going to go all the way. Now we are at 8 times zoom on the LG G8. So when you're looking at that, and I got it on the tripod, and I'm looking at the LG G8, it's kind of shaking a little bit, even though it's on the tripod. Both of them kind of shaking, but the LG G8 is shaking a little bit. The better quality with zoomed all the way in my opinion, is the Galaxy S10, but you be the judge for yourself. Now let's zoom all the way out here on both devices. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so when you're looking at that, we are ultra wide angle on both devices, right? But man, I tell you, from my point of view, it all depends on how you like your video. I mean, to me, I like the nice pretty blues of the LG G8, but if you look at the Galaxy S10 Plus, I mean, I'm looking at the sky, it looks wow. I mean, I can't really give the win to either or, because the grass to me is the LG G8, right? But the sky, the win to me, looking at the viewfinder, is the Galaxy S10 Plus, because if you look at the LG G8, I mean, it is blue, very much blue. But again, you be the judge for yourself. We're going to switch to the front-facing camera, and we're going to do something. I'm going to do the portrait mode on the LG G8, and I'm going to do regular mode on the Galaxy S10, and let's see what it's all about.
All right, guys, so this is the portrait mode on the LG G8. This is a new feature that LG brought to the table, that you could blur out the background while you record it. And I got the regular mode on the Galaxy S10 Plus. You be the judge for yourself. Also, I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the rear cameras and the rear audio between both of the devices. Now, it's a hot sunny day out here, so I wanted to do this outside because, listen, I film with a lot of LG phones, and the unique feature of having portrait video is pretty neat, right? But you be the judge for yourself. Is it practical or is it a gimmick on the LG G8? So this is the video portion, portrait mode, on the rear cameras on the LG G8. Now, I know I said earlier that it was on the front camera. That's not the case. It's only on the rear camera you get portrait video mode on the rear camera on the LG G8. So check it out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. All right, so this is the front-facing cameras of the LG G8 and the Galaxy S10 Plus. You be the judge for yourself for looking at this. I want to be in bright sunlight so y'all guys can see this. Not only that, but on the Galaxy S10 Plus, we got dual camera setup, which is a wide angle and a regular angle lens. On the LG G8, we got the standard camera lens on that device. So I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio of me. But listen, LG have came a long way if you look at some of their previous devices when it come down to the cameras. But overall, you be the judge for yourself. Do you like the LG G8 or do you like the Galaxy S10 Plus? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about both of these cameras in action. See you guys on the next video. Peace.